Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing a Retroarch build that actually includes the online updater. Nightlies are safest. Once installed, make sure the Retroarch /system and Retroarch /downloads folders are writable so downloads can save. You also need to allow network access, enable the app in your firewall, or give storage permission on mobile. Do this now. These steps unblock the updater and stop silent failures, so proceed without delay and verify each permission before moving to the updater menu. You open Retroarch and go straight to main menu, then online updater. Begin with update core info files because cores depend on that metadata. Next, run update assets and update databases to pull artwork and playlists. Only after those complete do you run update cores. This ensures cores install correctly and match your metadata. Make sure you let each task finish. Interrupting can leave partial files. If a download stalls, cancel and retry that single module rather than repeating the whole sequence. Once updates finish, restart Retroarch so it loads updated core info and new assets. This avoids cached conflicts. After reboot, test one core with a known working ROM to confirm the online updater did its job. If something breaks, first verify network connectivity and that the system/downloads folders are writable, then repeat the specific failed update. If persistent errors occur, switch to a clean nightly build and repeat the updater steps. That is the reliable fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.